Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Temu shopping app online on your mobile or your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to download and install the Temu shopping app on your Android phone, first open up your preferred Play Store. You can see we are going to the Play Store to install the app on our phone. So let's search for the Temu app on the top of the screen where you can see the search bar, or where I'm going to tap over here guys and search for Temu and click on the magnifying glass icon. And over here guys, at the top of the list you can see there is the Temu Shop Like a Billionaire app available for us. Now to download and install it on your device, simply tap on the install button available over here and wait for a moment to be done. And wait for a moment guys, the Temu app will download it and installed on your mobile. So you can see the data is being downloaded to your device. And there guys, you can see the Temu app has been installed on our device. Let's open it. And over here guys, the app has been downloaded and installed on our device. You can see let's decline it for now and let's go to the home. And you can see guys, are in our mobile. And there guys, we have successfully downloaded and installed the Temu online shopping app on our mobile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.